Hello guys, welcome to a new video of NoobToWeb. Today I will be showing you how to link our hosting a domain with the cPanel hosting and along with the WordPress website. Actually today I will show you two methods. One will be hosting WordPress website and other if you are willing to host a website that you have made from scratch like only HTML, CSS and JavaScript files. I will show that method also. So this will be our basically the linking process, first hosting a, then to cPanel, then to WordPress. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, uh, I will go to the hostinger part later on. First I will come here. So I have to buy a cPanel hosting. I've already bought here. So you can use a website named Sharpedo. Actually I use it. It's trusted website and basically its hostings are cheap. Go to this hosting tab, go to cPanel hosting, and here you can check there are multiple, so you can take this for testing purposes and for businesses there are multiple. So once you buy it, go to the client area here in the profile. You will see I have a service here. This is a website hosting that I bought. I will log into cPanel in the right click. This is the cPanel dashboard that I have now. So there are multiple things, a lot of things here going on, like a whole lot of options and features that I will be talking on future videos. I will make separate videos for cPanel. So come here, uh, go to WordPress soft manager by soft colors, click here and go to the install option. Okay, first of all, we have a cPanel website now. It is done. Okay, now go to hostinger, like simply type hostinger here, click on the first link. You have to buy a domain. You would, if you don't have not haven't yet bought a domain, so go to here domains, choose anyone, buy a domain and log in here. After you buy the domain, log in and here it will be showing the domain you have purchased. Click on manage. In the left hand side you will see option DNS/name servers. Click on this and see here by default hosting us name servers will be there, like ns1 dot something, like maybe this one, hostinger name server. Yeah, this both name servers will be there by default, ns2.dsns parking.com, but you have to change it. Click on this, click change name servers, and this will be checked earlier, but check this and there will be two text box. When you will buy this hosting, you will receive a email from Sharpedo with the mail you have registered this account and with all the details like uh, IP address, username, password, and there only you will receive this. This is the sample of mail that I have received. So this is the uh, like plan I purchased. So here you can see name servers. We need this to copy this and paste it here and save. After saving, it will around take 3 to 4 hours to wait, and your domain will be connected to our cPanel hosting. Okay. Now come back to our cPanel. Here, go all the way down, click on the WordPress manager by software. Click on this, click on the install button, and so this is our domain. I will select this subesh.site. Okay, select this domain. Directory will be empty because we don't want to go into some other URL. You can keep anything, for example, new to web. Here is the WordPress admin password. This is the account from which you will be accessing admin account. So you can keep this. Uncheck all of this. We don't need this now. Uncheck all of this and click on install. See, it is done. So you can see our site is, see, it has a basic WordPress format and see, designed with WordPress. And if you want to check it is working, click on this admin URL. This is the WordPress dashboard that we have. I will make separate video on this, all the features or how to handle or make a website on WordPress. Click on activate. So you can see our website is updated. So our domain is working and hosting is also working. So it is about the WordPress. And the second option I've told about, if you have a file like this, for example, something like this. For example, I have an index.html file. This is a website test website that I have made. So in order to host this, what you will do? So come to cPanel again, come a little down, and under the file section there is an option called file manager. Click that. In the left hand side, you can see this is my website that I want to host. Click on this, and this is current WordPress website that we have. Delete all of this, like select all except this one, or you can delete this also. Click on delete. This is empty. You can see we have nothing on this. Click on this upload, select file. We will select this file, go back, and we will just reload it. So it is hosted. So it is as simple, it is as easy. So now you can have any website, and for the minimal pricing you can host it, and also test multiple features. We will fully unlock the ability of cPanel in future videos, because we can fully create a e-commerce website, all the automations, SMS, OTP, mail API, everything using WordPress and cPanel. We will make videos on this future. For today, uh, it was all about cPanel hosting our WordPress. So see you guys in the next video.